morning guys, welcome back to another video. You are watching what's Rakesh up to. So today is day 3 in Kapu beach and just woke up. We're just waiting for some tea. Kind of in a spot where it's gonna rain and it's not gonna rain. Bejan biscuit ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮಳೆ. So it feels like it's gonna rain, but it's too windy and I'm not sure what's happening here. So once I get the tea that I've ordered, we'll just go to the beach and chill for a while, okay? Okay. Spot ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ friends? ಬನ್ನಿ ಟೀ ಕುಡಿಯೋಣ. So yeah, I'm just waiting for all my friends to wake up. I don't know when that is gonna happen. ಸರಿ ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು. So today is a Saturday, and what problem here is on Saturdays and Sundays it's a complete lockdown in not in Udupi district but in Dakshina Kannada district where Mangalore is. So we cannot go or step out to get anything basically. So what we're going to do is so we stay in Kapu, this place, right? We stay somewhere in the Kapu beach side. So Kodi Bengre beach and Pitrodi beach is right here, and I don't think there'll be any checking or any kind of cop issues in this locality at least. So we're planning to just head to the beaches which are in this stretch that way, enjoy some good beach weather and just chill with friends. So today is gonna be a very lazy day. We don't have anything planned as such, just to visit as much as places that we can and head back to the room. So probably we'll be leaving tomorrow. So before that we just want to make use of the no rain weather, and also it's not hot, right? So it's weird that whenever you're near the beach you expect a very hot weather, but gotte agtilla guru. Beautiful bros. So just finished flying the drone. I'm not sure how stable the footage would be. I mean, if you can see the trees here, you get to know how windy it is. All the coconut trees are facing the other way, and yeah man, this place in the morning is really beautiful, and because of the monsoon the green cover here is like pretty darn good. So the good thing about today is we can see some sun, and so there's a lighthouse here in Kapu, and it's really, so I always wanted to take a drone shot of that lighthouse. So since it's a lockdown, there is nobody there, nobody's allowed to go near Kapu lighthouse, I guess. So we'll just go try. No small lane that takes to the lighthouse, so I'll try and take a drone video. Again, no promises. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. I'll just go see there. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೈಕೋಬೇಡಿ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಏನೋ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So hey guys, what happened was none of my friends woke up, and it's already 7:30 in the morning. I didn't want to waste time because I already got ready way early in the morning. I am a early morning person, so that's what I do. And I just came here to fly my drone. This location, as you guys can see, yeah, So I just came to this location to take few drone shots, and I took a few actually. Let me just show you how they look. I don't know when my friends will be awake, so once they're back, I'll go to the room and maybe head to some other place. So for now, I'm just gonna enjoy this place. So I'm just getting back to the room from this place. We just finished having breakfast. So this was the view for the room.
Good morning.
This guy promised that he'll wake up at 5 o'clock, and then he just came out. It is around 10 o'clock now.
I woke up at 5. I slept.
And that is the boss. He's the gang leader for now.
ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಯಾರೋ ನಿಂಗೆ 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ
ನೀನು ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನೆ 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದೋಳು ಅಂತ.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎದ್ರು ಎದ್ದೋಳೋಣ. ಯಾರು ಎದ್ರು? ನಾನು ಎದ್ನೋ 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ.
ಮಹೇಶ್
ಎದ್ದೋಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ.
ಮಹೇಶ್ ನೀನು ನಾನು 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದೆ ಮಹೇಶ್.
ಸುಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಡ್ರೋನ್ ಆಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ನಲ್ಲ
7 o'clock ಒಂದು ಮೈಂಡ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು.
ನೀನ್ ಡ್ರೋನೇ ಆಡ್ಸ್ದ ಅಥವಾ ಇವಾಗ ಕಾಗೆ ಆಡ್ಸ್ತೀವಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
ಪಿತ್ರೋಡೇನೆ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ತಾನೆ. ಅದೇ ಪತ್ರೋಡೆ ತರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ. ಇವತ್ತು ಪಿತ್ರೋಡೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು.
ಏನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದು ಪಿತ್ರೋಳಿ ಈ ಥರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಒಂದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಎಸ್ಚುರಿ ಜೋರ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಮರಳು ಅದೇ ನೀರು.
ನನ್ನ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ನಿನಗೊಂದು ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಯಾರು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬರ್ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಜನ ನಾವೇ.
10 ಜನ 100 ಜನ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯವ್ರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಮೆಝಾನು
ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಯುಎಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ಮಿಚಿಗನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
So my friends are roasting me because I just have 100 subscribers. So ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಯಾರ ಫೋನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಬಟನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್. ನಾನು
ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಬೇಡವಾ?
So I'll get roasted off camera. Bye. So just made it to Kodi Bengre beach. So thought I'll just show you guys around. Beach, and then this is the backwaters and an estuary that joins here. So this place is called the Delta Beach. We all decided to go to Katil temple, and we're just debating on when to leave and should we leave to a temple, all that temple. And those of you who are familiar with this part of Karnataka, that's a quite famous temple here. Not gonna bug you with all the details, but
ಅದ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ.
I'm Malakshmi. I wave to the camera, wave to my subscribers.
ಅದು ನೀನೇನೋ ಹಣ್ಣು ಕಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯ ಅಂತ ಪಾಪ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮೀ ಅವ್ನು ಮಾತು
ಕೊಡಿ ಹೇಳು